Listen, here we have somebody called Jackson who just made $170 with the website called Paidera. So guys, do you hope or do you want to make this amount of money? I don't know those of you, if you hear, you have maybe heard about Paidera. So yeah, today I'm going to give you a great review about this website and see how you can make the same amount of money if you can. So you really want to stay till the end of this video, and I will give you some pros and cons of this website, and I will also tell you what is, according to me, the best way for you to make money online. Yeah. So remember, my name is Seal, and here you are in Terminal Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So guys, before we go further, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more videos. So let's dive in. So as I just said, you probably heard about this website, and today I'm going to give you a review of the website called Paidera. So is it a great website for you to make money? How much can you make? How much will it cost to you? So we're gonna see that together. Okay, so let's go. First of all, I just want to go back to the website and show you very quickly how the website looks like. Yeah, for those of you who may not know what a Paidera is, this is the website. Yeah, in this website, as I've just said here in my presentation, is a website where you will be paid. You will get paid for doing several tasks such as creating videos, taking quiz, doing surveys, a lot of things you can be doing in this website in order for you to make money. So how can you get started? If you want to get started, and I would suggest you to wait till the end of this video. But if you really want, you can create an account here, sign it. It's worldwide, whatever the place you are, you get paid with PayPal. So this is the thing you're gonna do in order for you to get paid. You are unlimited tasks in order that you can be doing. You can invite your friends. You have an instant payment, or according to what they're saying. So yeah, this is the website. This is what you can do. Different text, upload videos, write text about this website. Yeah. So this is the way people search Jackson are making this amount of money. But the question is it for you? Can you also make the same amount of money? So I'm going to reveal you everything you really need to know before you get started with this website. So, okay, as I told you, just simple of that. So how do you make money with this website? Okay, this is the play. You have to take surveys, you have to write articles, and let me stop here. The articles you will be writing will be first about this website. In fact, you're gonna be promoting this website. And when you write the article, you don't send it to the website. No, boy. You're gonna post it on your social media account. In fact, you're gonna post it to some places where a large audience or a big public will be able to see it. So at the just on the bottom of each element, you can see how much you will earn per article or blog you're gonna write. The same thing for videos. You're gonna make videos about this website, tell about people how this website is great, how people can make money with this website. So this is the way people are making money with this website. And the other things that you can do is to refer to your friends, your family. Yeah, you just invite people, and once they sign in, once they get started, you get $0.1 for each people you bring in. I know it's really not a lot, and I agree with you. So let's say now a situation. How much can you really make? So in the previous place, we see how you can make money, but how much can you really make? The first thing I want to say is that it really depends on how much time or the amount of time you are willing to put in this website. I cannot say this amount, but in fact, the really minimum amount you can be making is $0.1. So it really depends on the amount of time you really to make. So let's say you have a goal. You say, I want to make $15. So in this place, I'm going to explain you how you can do it. So let's say you want to make $15. So you can decide either you go with videos, but with writing posts, with referrals. In fact, you cannot really decide. You need to mix some of them. I mean, referrals and the other ways. And by the way, the 4 ways I've shown you for you to make money are not the only ways. There are some, but those were the biggest. So the first way, if you want to make $15, this is how much video you really need to make. You really need to make 100 videos only to get $15. So if you don't want to make the videos, you can go for the service, and you really need to take 37 surveys. If you don't want to go with service, guys, you also have the option to write 150 posts. Okay. Yeah. I don't know if some of you are feeling exciting right now, but let's just keep on. But if you don't want to write posts, you are a lot of friends, and you say, I want to call all my friends. I don't know. You have 150 friends, call them and send them the link. So this is the way you can make money. This is the way people are making money. So I've just taken an example here in order to show you how it works. You can bid for a larger amount of money or a lower. It really depends on how much time you are willing to put in this website. The website is called Paidera, guys. Don't forget it. So what are the pros? Now, the pros of this website has many websites of this kind. It's completely free to join. Very simple. You don't need to be selected. You don't need to be evaluated. No, just join and go. Completely. You can earn as much money as you want. It really depends on you. These are the pros, guys. If you have a lot of time to spend, if you have nothing special to do, yeah, you can decide to go jump in. It really depends on you. So now the cons. I don't know for you, but I can feel that you sense it in the way I was talking, because there are tons of cons. I'm making this review because I've seen a lot of people making video how you can make money with this kind of website. But I'm asking, how is it possible, boy? This website is a really bad deal. For me, this is my opinion, and those of you who really have the time, because the biggest thing you are trading in this website is your time, and not only that, your energy. By creating videos, by writing posts, you are trading a lot to earn few. So the first thing, the first cons that I want to just say is that you are forced to promote this website in order for you to make a lot of money. So it's not just like other ways, because this website, when you write posts, when you make videos, when you are doing referrals, you are promoting this website. So this is the way they are doing their stuff. I don't know if it's okay for you, but for me, I found it like a con. So another thing is that the rewards are very small. Yeah, that is another great thing. The rewards are just small, guys. You will need a lot of effort, a lot of time, a lot of energy in order for you to really make some real good money. Yeah, just say good money, but you will really not make a lot of money with this website. So the other thing is that is the biggest, it's certainly the biggest thing with this website. The biggest thing I really don't appreciate, because you really need to have at least $20 and more than 100 referrals in order for you to withdraw your money on PayPal. The example I've shown you previously, we have just talked about making 15, but here the threshold is 20. Do you see that, guy? 20, I think it's a lot. You're gonna just waste a lot of your time, a lot of your energy in order for you to reach that threshold. Not just only the money, but also the referrals. So if you could convert this energy, this time to another kind of business opportunity, guys, you will be able to win a lot more. So yeah, the other things is servers are just too long, and that's the typical things about every online service. They are too long, too long. And yeah, guys, this was a review. I just wanted to share with you and tell you how bad, yes, I mean how bad this website is, and I really don't recommend it to any of you who will watch this video today, next year, 3, 4, 5 years after that. But I highly don't recommend it to get started with this website. So guys, what is the best way for me that I can recommend you to do make money online? There are tons of ways, but one of the best way I can tell you is to join an affiliate marketing business. In fact, I will put a link into the description where we have a completely done business for you. The only thing you really need to do is to commit, to learn, and you can decide, you can start to customize the website, customize the system for you, and you can start to promote it. In fact, the same amount of effort that you will be putting in this kind of website, you can convert it in affiliate marketing. The other thing you can decide to do is to make videos on YouTube, because I think that YouTube is a trending platform, and videos, guess what, they last. And if you make one today, you can make probably a lot more money 2 months, 2 weeks, 2 years after that. So don't forget, I have some link in the description. And if you want to know more about me, I will post some videos here. You can check it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. So that was it for Tremendous Generation. And I tell you guys, bye-bye and take care.